MIOT's DNA is not just about treating patients, it is also about helping them regain their quality of life. Founded in 1999, MIOT began as a 70-bed hospital specializing in orthopedics and trauma care. Today, it has grown into a 1,000-bed multi-specialty hospital with 63 specialties and 250 full-time doctors. Trusted by patients in India and 130 countries, MIOT International is dedicated to compassionate care. MIOT Rehab Centre is South India's first-of-its-kind holistic rehabilitation centre, concentrating on complete post-hospital recovery and rehabilitation of patients. The centre was established to address the need for comprehensive post-COVID care, initially focusing on pulmonary rehabilitation. It has since expanded to provide complete rehabilitation for neuro, cardiopulmonary, orthopedic, geriatric, and cancer cases. A diverse team of professionals collaborate to assist individuals in their recovery journey at the MIOT Rehab Centre. Our physical medicine and rehabilitation specialists, also known as PMR physicians, provide expert care for a wide range of conditions from complex issues like paraplegia to effective chronic pain management. The occupational therapists focus on fostering independence in patients' daily activities. Physiotherapists engage with patients to enhance mobility, strength, and flexibility. Meanwhile, the speech therapists aim to enhance communication and swallowing capabilities. Since its inception in 2022, the centre has effectively rehabilitated over 3,000 patients by employing cutting-edge therapies and expert care. By integrating physical medicine and rehabilitation into all aspects of care, MIOT Rehab Centre has established itself as South India's foremost facility for post-hospital recovery and rehabilitation. MIOT International pioneers in adapting advanced healthcare technologies, including robotic surgery, cutting-edge diagnostic tools, and state-of-the-art medical equipment for better patient outcomes. These technologies ensure faster, more accurate procedures and enhanced precision in complex treatments. At MIOT International, we recognize the importance of delivering precise care during life's unexpected challenges. MIOT International, a pioneer in Indian healthcare, has earned multiple awards and accolades for its steadfast commitment to providing exceptional care. After more than 10 years of caring for Maldivians, MIOT International understands the importance of continuous care closer to home. Recognizing the need for comprehensive treatment in your own locality, for the first time in Maldives, we are proud to unveil the MIOT Rehab Centre, which will deliver world-class rehabilitation services directly to you. Now, you can begin your recovery here, eliminating the need to travel to India. The facility's design is thoughtfully structured to facilitate a step-by-step approach to therapy. Our rehab center in Maldives aims to support you throughout each phase of your recovery journey. Patients can have a consultation with a physical medicine and rehabilitation expert. Following an assessment of the patient's situation, MIOT's Rehab Board will create a personalized rehabilitation plan. This enables patients to achieve independence through a comprehensive, multidisciplinary rehabilitation approach. At the start of rehabilitation for patients confined to bed, we utilize a tilt table to help stabilize their blood pressure and facilitate weight bearing. For patients who struggle with standing or walking, our robo-assisted gait trainer can help them improve their mobility, enhancing their strength and trunk control. Our multi-gym aids patients in training both their upper and lower limbs. We have also adapted interactive solutions like leg and upper body exerciser, standing trainer and virtual reality to enhance physical recovery, boost cognition, and support overall rehabilitation. Leg and upper body exerciser allows patients to work on their upper or lower limbs while seated in a wheelchair, enhancing their cardiopulmonary function. Standing trainer will provide both static and dynamic standing balance for patients who have been unable to stand for an extended time. Virtual reality-based therapy captivates patients with challenging games while improving their attention, memory, and executive function. Ultrasound therapy and interferential therapy assist in alleviating pain, muscle spasms, inflammation, stiffness, edema, and adhesions. Parallel bars enable patients to perform activities of daily living and lower the risk of falls. The treadmill with eye gate unweighing system is intended for individuals who struggle with walking after recovering from a spinal cord injury or experiencing muscle tightness. The nerve conduction study is a non-invasive procedure that helps diagnose neuronal conditions. It involves applying small electrical impulses to the skin to assess nerve function and detect potential damage. MIOT Rehab Centre Maldives also offers psychotherapy for cognitive challenges and next-gen telemedicine services for real-time consultations with super specialists. The MIOT Rehab Centre in Maldives features accessible restrooms equipped with grab bars and a wheelchair-friendly elevator, enhancing patient convenience. At MIOT Rehab Centre in Maldives, we stand by our patients every step of the way, from their first rehabilitation steps to their journey towards an independent life. Through this, MIOT reaffirms its unwavering commitment to building a healthy future for the people of Maldives.